Alright, so today I'm taking a look at some RustOleum. This is the 2X, so this is Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. And these guys over here, what I'm going to be painting, the top is aluminum, so I'm not worried about that, but this is steel, so we want to make sure that that's going to be protected from rust. So the first thing I'm going to do is just give it a wipe down with some isopropyl alcohol, and that is just because all this stuff comes with some oil on it. There could also be some greases or just like fingerprints or anything else that might be on here. I'll make sure you start out with a clean surface. Now, I'm not super fanatical about it, but the cleaner you get it, the better it's going to stick, the longer it's going to last. Do what you think is going to work for you. And then we just got to shake it up and we'll start applying. So that paint plus the primer does a really good job of making sure that everything is well coated so you don't see the metal underneath. It basically does everything in one shot. So I'm just gonna let that dry, probably give it about 20 minutes, maybe an hour. Then I'll flip it over, do the other side, and we'll see what we got. Now let's just do a couple coats a few minutes apart. I'm just going to do the one coat, but it's a thick coat. The danger with that is it might run, but I'm not really too worried about that because this isn't like a show piece or anything. So I'm just going to let that dry and then we will attach it. So yeah, it looks like that turned out pretty good.